How to change your country in your Amazon account or Amazon Prime Video. So, in order to change your country in Amazon Prime, first you have to change the country on your basic Amazon shopping account. So, I have opened my account in front of you, that is my home screen, as all of you can see. To change the country, I have to click on the right top of the screen, that is my profile, and then I have to go on the device setting on the third last of the setting menu. So once you click on the device option here, you will be redirected to the setting where you can see your mobile that is logged into your account. Like, there are my details. When you scroll to the down here on the bottommost corner of the screen, you will see an option to edit your language or to choose your country or change your country website. From this menu, simply choose your country, for which country you want to change your Amazon account, and click on any of the country in which you live or you want to switch your account to. I will enter it and then simply click it to set it on your account. Else you can use any VPN if your country is not visible in the list. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.